Hi everyone. Uh, in this video, we're going to look at what is a demultiplexer. As the name said, it is actually we can imagine that it is an opposite of a multiplexer. Okay, so what does the demultiplexer do? It is a circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits this information on one of two to the power of n possible output lines. Okay, it is when we talk about multiplexer in the previous video, multiplexer is where we have multiple input and one single output. But for demultiplexer, we have one output and the selectors will help us to select to where the input will go, to which output the input will go. If you want to imagine it, imagine a road here, and let's say there's a bridge connecting this road here and this four different road here. So our demultiplexer is like a selector that selects which road that this car can go through. Okay, and this is the block diagram or functional diagram of a demultiplexer. So inside the demux or demultiplexer, we have a selector, and this selector here, this switch here uh, controlled by the select input. It connects the data input to the one of the several outputs. Okay, who decides where the data input goes? That's the job for the select here, the selector here. Okay. All right. This is a block diagram. Oh, sorry. A truth table for a demultiplexer, where again the combination of input is similar. Sorry, the combination of selectors is the same as in multiplexer. We have 0001, 1011, and if the S1 0 and S naught is also 0, so input Y naught will get the output Y naught will get the input I. However, if it's a 0 1, S1 0, S naught 1, output Y2, Y1, sorry, Y1 will get the uh, input. And if it's 1 0, S1 S naught 1 0, Y2 will get the input here. Okay, and if it's 1 1, Y3 will get the input. Okay, Y input I will go to Y3. So this is how demultiplexer works. Okay, a more complicated demultiplexer, uh, 1 to 8 line demultiplexer. However, the process is still the same. Now, one thing to notice is that if you look at demultiplexer compared to multiplexer, demultiplexer consists of AND gate at each of the output. Okay, while multiplexer at the end here there's one OR gate, right? That's one of the difference between the multiplexer and multiplexer. Okay, this is a 1 to 8 line demultiplexer where we have only one input, but three selectors will control this input goes to which output at depending on the select code. Okay, and finally, we can use decoders. Remember decoder? In the previous class, we seen what is a decoder. We can use decoder as demultiplexer. It works in a similar way. Okay, we have, for example, in this one, we have 16 demarks. Uh, uh, we can use that as a we can use decoder as a demultiplexer. Okay, so that's it for multiplexer and demultiplexer. So thanks for watching. Hopefully the videos series of videos